Good Friday morning. This is the fire forecast from meteorologist and firefighter Dean D. Davison. We're going to go over what's going to happen this weekend for this flash freeze and what we actually could see after that. So let's go right into it. We can take a look at what's going to happen this weekend. You can see it's going to rain. We're probably going to have somewhere between 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain. The issue is right after that, towards 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe a little earlier, we get this really strong wind and a freezing. We're going to go from 44 degrees to start of the day, and we're going to drop right into the freezing mark real quick, probably within an hour or two of the frontal passage, and then we're looking into the 20s within 4 hours, and that's going to cause any water on the road to freeze over. That's called flash freeze, and that can cause major issues to travel. So if you're traveling Sunday, we'll tell you it's probably good to stay away from traveling Sunday afternoon. The flash freeze. Example, as timing is right now, may change. 11 a.m. 44 degrees, 5 p.m. 30, 7 p.m. 26. You see the problem here. Flash freezing, real quick. Any liquid, which will be rain through the morning, will turn into a sheet of ice. And that's what we have to watch out for here in the flash freeze this Sunday. So, into the fire. Rain to flash freeze for the forecast. Intensity moderate rain. Up to an inch of rain. Readiness. Prep now for this flash freeze Sunday. Starts to drop in temp at 3 p.m. below freezing by 6 and in 20s by 8. Exiting Monday. It would be cold on Monday, but should get some more drying going on Monday. So what this is going to do is going to cause major problems. Could cause accidents on the road. So suggest Sunday afternoon you might want to take it easy at home and enjoy some football. That would be my suggestion to you as a firefighter. And firefighters, when you're out, be very careful. Watch for slip trips and falls during this type of situation. We'll be going beyond the fire. And what we're looking at here is the 24th of the month, we have a possible snowstorm. And right around the first, second, another snowstorm. So we could be looking at some decent snow coming up here through the rest of the month. So once again, the fire forecast is rain to flash freeze Saturday and Sunday. The flash freeze occur on Sunday. Moderate rain. Prep now for the flash freeze Sunday. Quick temperature drops and exits by Monday. Hopefully we'll get some good salting going on and we don't get many issues out of this. But this is something that happens rare. So we need to really watch out for the flash freeze. For responding fire and the weather pros, this is meteorologist and firefighter Dean Davison. Thank you. Be safe.